And of course, today is Saturday, the 24th of January 2026. And of course, I said Saturday. So that means we'll be looking at synthetic market, of course, starting up with the asset available on Deriv. So in case you don't know broker called Deriv, just check the description. I believe in a link there for you to register an account with Deriv. And of course, you can have access to all these synthetic markets and more. Remember, Deriv is not just synthetic market. You can trade the cryptos, you can trade pound, you can trade BTUs, you can trade a lot. Anything you want to trade, anything tradable is available on Deriv. Remember, synthetics are available 247. Okay, so let's continue. So of course today we'll be starting up with volatility 75 1 second, and this is the H. Okay, this is 24. So let's go to the H4 candle. Okay, now we are currently on the H4 candlestick already, or the H4 charts. So what we're doing right next is for us to mark out our structures, of which that we can see around here. It's this being our low, then the overall high that led to this whole bearish move we saw. This is actually this. Now you can see the market actually making series of signs and change of structures on the bullish aspects. So are we likely going back to test this? Are we stopping and reversing? Now we are going to be putting an internal structure around this level. Remember, I call it internal structure. That means if you're trading to this level, it's going to be on the scalping aspect of it. The major one, if you can see a breakout from this, then you can actually go long on it. Now, why am I putting this? Remember, there's actually a minor structure around this level where the market, let's go to the 15-minute chart, so you see that's clearer. Now, on the 15-minute chart, if you look at it very well, you can actually see that the market is going to be moving in this range for a long time. Let me just use this to mark it out. Moving in this range for a long time, you can see it just moving and just unable to break out before it finally broke above it right here. This is the highest level it went to. They broke it above it right here. You can now see this ejection. Now let's wait for this candlestick to form bullish. Closing bullish to this level gives us opportunity to go short on there. And of course, our stop loss is going to be below this, then we're scalping this to this and next level. So remember, that's for the scalping aspect of it. Let me reduce it a little. So let's wait for this candlestick to close. If it closes bullish, then we're going long on that. And of course, remember that's for the scalping. The major entry on the day trade is going to be a break above this, then we target this as our next structure. So that's for volatility 75 1 second. So go to the next one, it's going to be the 75 itself. Alright, so here is 75 itself. So going to the H4. Wow, I think the volatility 75 has been on the bullish, on the bearish side for a long time. So that means no need of looking for any bullish trade. So you're going to look for bearish change of structure. Currently, you can see the market just closed in the bullish aspect. So please. Alright, so we need to see our change of structure on the bullish, on the bearish, sorry. And for now, I really can't, so I'll just say I'm staying out of 75 for today. So I'll be advising out of 75 for today, except tomorrow. Remember, I release every single day, dropping analysis on what you'll be looking at each single day. So you can come here again tomorrow for tomorrow's analysis. So we're going to boom 500. Yes, boom 500, and also bearish. Similar thing. Actually, took trade on this last week. Okay, on the scalping, we have opportunity to show this on the scalping. 1:2 minimum. You can see this. So this is for the scalping aspect. It's up to 2. Remember, it should be 2. Good. So yes, for scalping aspect on boom 500. So go to the next one, which is going to be the boom 1000. Also, the same thing similar, but just that we just recently broke below a structure which was our previous low. Okay. Now wait for this to actually close. If this actually close what's it called, bearish, then wait for the first candle to close below this entry. If we get that, then we are going short on this. Stop loss above, oh shit. So please let me mark this again. Stop loss above this rejection around here, then take profit 1 is to 2 weeks to reward. So you can see this. So this is going to be the entry. If this candlestick closes bearish below this previous low around here, then we go short on that. Alright, so going to the next one, which is going to be the crash 500. Then we're going to the H4. Has been on the bullish for a long time. Alright, just recently broke above this. We saw a test. I can see the continuation. So let's go to the H4. Sorry, the 15-minute chart. I can see a recent change of structure on the bullish. Actually, there's a change of structure here, but then it has gone far above our entry. So we have to wait for a pullback. If we get a minor pullback, then we can think of going long on that. So that's what I've been looking at. A pullback first. I can't go long on. If I'm going long on, that means my stop loss is going to be here. But if I can get something like this, then I can be cool in putting my stop loss below here. Then while my take profit is minimum of 1 is to 2 weeks to reward ratio. That's the go to the final one, which is going to be the crash 1000. Then go to H4. Seems like we've been on the ranging market for a long time now. They actually said this last week that so long as we are seeing this thing, we are not thinking of taking any trade. You can see it seems we are also still, sorry please, we are still in that range. So you are still waiting for a breakout from this zone. So that means for cash 1000, I would suggest you leave cash 1000 for today. Alright, so this is going to be the end of the analysis and of course with Deriv. Remember, Deriv is a broker that offers synthetic market, they offer FOREX market, they offer cryptos, they offer stocks, they offer indices, they offer several other stuff. Just check the description, there's a link there for you in case you have an account with them. Hit that link to create an account. Upon that link gives you automatic access to all my algorithms. You can see all my trades I take. I can't copy anyone. Please just usually say it. Ensure you do what to adjust the loss side to the loss side that actually suits your trading capital. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, and ensure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose. See you tomorrow on tomorrow's analysis.